She didn't think you could do it. She didn't think you could do it. She didn't think we could do it, son. She didn't think we could do it.
I think I made it. I think I made it cause I'm always smiling and you're the reason now.
What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Sneakerhead on a Budget, and we're here because I was challenged recently.
Challenge accepted.
My wife had told me, you can get 3 dope pairs. Look, here's the thing. She told me that I can't get crazy pairs of shoes for under $150. I told her I can get multiple pairs for under $150. And she said, bet. So that's why we're here, to see if I did it. Now, asterisk, I tried to keep it fair, so I tried to search a bunch of stuff up on GOAT, StockX, eBay, Facebook, a bunch of other stuff, and I had to go with the best prices. But the rules were simple. She said I cannot just buy shoes just to buy shoes. Meaning, I can't just go on there and buy some cheap pairs of Ultra Boosts or NMDs just to say I bought 10 pairs under 150. She said no, that's not the rule. You have to get shoes on your grail list. That means shoes that I need, not that I need, but shoes that I want to put in my collection that I will actually wear. Not just shoes that I would get and then try to flip, or shoes that I would just get and then just sit there. I actually have to wear them. So that's what the challenge is, actually getting stuff that I would wear that was dope without paying over that crazy price. Now, I'm a searcher. I'll sit there and I'll look for stuff and I put the deals. But I gotta tell you, you people on eBay, make everything tougher. There's a shoe on there that was, it was an Air Jordan 1, and his buy it now was $80. Okay, so I was like, cool, so Air Jordan 1 bread, it's gonna need some work on it, but it can be done. Let's see if we can get it for cheaper so we can stay within our boundaries. Now, also letting you know, I have not tallied anything up yet. So I bought everything based on just the individual price, so I can tally it up at the end to see if I did it. Now, I don't know if I did it, but we're gonna see if I did right now. And it's hard to try to go back and try to look at the amount. I'm trying to keep it fair so we can all do this at the same time. So the tally will be around here, each represent. Okay? And so, like I was saying about the shoe, $80 buy it now. Tell me why. I look back, it was like an hour before the bidding was over, and it jumped up to 60 something. So I'm like, okay, 60 something, that's still not bad. It's still under, we'll see what we can work with after that. I come back, and these dudes in the last minute put up the price to $198. His buy it now was $80. What are we doing? Some of y'all got y'all stimulus check and you wilding out. Stop.
Knowing is half the battle.
G.I. Joe!
So they made it so hard. I can't tell you how many auctions I lost because people were just bidding up crazy, and I was like, dude, I felt like Storage Wars. You know, like Dave Hester. Storage Wars, just getting bid up. So, and I did a lot of offers. Alright, and I hate doing a lot of low offers because I know people try to make money, and so I feel for you. Sorry everybody who probably was like, oh man, that was you. Sorry, I was trying to get everything within the 150, so I sent a lot of offers and I was declined multiple times. But we are going to get into what I got, because I did get 3 dope pairs of shoes, and we're going to see how much everything tallies up. So right here, so we're going to do these unboxings, we're going to check them out, and then we're going to tally up the amount to see if I won. 150 is the mark. Let's make sure we stay below that. Let's get it. So first off, this right here. When I seen this in the mail, I was frightened because I don't like shoes being sent in these little things right here because I feel it damages it, especially when they toss it around and everything. So I was like really upset when I seen this. And then I was like, I gotta see which one of these are, just to make sure it's not damaged. And then I opened it up, and it was my wife, so we're cool. So now we're gonna get to the meat and potatoes of everything. See what we got and see if we made it under the mark. Because I don't lose challenges. Let's do it. through it carefully. I don't remember which ones had a box and which one didn't. First of all, shout out to USPS though. They get my stuff here early and on time, unlike FedEx and UPS. And they say this was snail mail. I'm struggling. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! First of the day. Whew. These Jordan 12 flu games. Man, this is from a newer release. I am really excited about these. I had the other ones where it was like nubuck at the top, and that was a struggle a little bit because the nubuck kept getting all faded, and I just like the OG of the leather. It makes it really dope. This is crazy. I had a pair of these and they're gone, but I'm glad I got these back in the collection. The only thing up with these is the black right here needs to get repainted, but it looks like it's the foam, so we'll see what happens with those. And this front right here needs to get repainted, but that's not really a big problem. Aside from that, these shoes are really dope. The bottoms of these, now I haven't seen it up close. Look at that. You hear that carbon fiber? Yeesh. The bottoms of these are kind of lifting, but the guy said he played ball with me a little bit, which is not the carbon fiber, I'm sorry, the bottom sole, which is not a problem. I can always get this back on. That's not really an issue for me. Because I'm not really caring about the bottom of the shoe. Y'all know me. I care about the top. And the top of these look beautiful. Oh my god. I'm so excited for these. Easy fix up. Not that bad a thing. And I got these for $65, I believe. $65. Throw it up. So these are not bad for flu games. The flu or the food poisonings. You guys seen that Last Dance? The food poisoning 12. These are dope. That leather up here feels beautiful. Oh, I see a shoebox in there. Shoebox is great. It helps the organization. Ooh, missed that in the box. All right. So much for the shoebox. Ooh. Here comes the unveiling. Man, look at this OG box right here. This is insane. Man, that takes me back. Look at that box. The MJ staring at you. Whew. Alright. Right here. Got some Concord 11s. Look at that. These are crazy, y'all. Concord 11s from 2001. Now you gotta wear these with caution. These are a little older, but dude, these are nice. In pretty good condition. Not bad. I took care of these. These are great, dude. Use a little bit of clean on the uppers, which is not a problem aside from that. Dude. They're great. Add these to the 11s I got. So these are the ones I'm afraid of. Because these won't cost me $70. So I know I'm up there right now. I'm up there. These cost me $70. They're great. Like, I definitely am excited to just clean up this, get the rock in them, but I know these might have killed me getting there. But the shoe is in very good condition to be from 2001. The dude took care of these like really well. and like I'm messing with them and just pulling on them just to see, and yeah, dude took care of these. The only thing he said, he just had them sitting up so they collected dust and a little dirt right here. So just gotta clean that up. Aside from that, sheesh. Whew. I'm excited. I'm excited. Last but not least. Whew. Check these out. Check these out. Infrared 6s, black infrared 6s. These are amazing in person. Dang, feel like good luck. Dude, these are sick in person. Look how nice they are. I had a pair of the white infrareds, and those are dope, but I couldn't really find much to wear with those. These, sheesh. Out of all the shoes, this is probably the best conditioned ones. And I got these for cheaper. I got these for 50, 52, 55. Throw that up. But these are nice. I'm hoping this here in the 50 makes me think I'm okay. Here in the 50 makes me think I'm okay. I gotta tally that up. Yeah, we gotta tally that up. Here in the 50, oh man, look at these look. These look incredible. Dang. Hey man, look at these, man. Ooh. Got the shoe chips. Oh my god. Alright. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. I'm gonna take a minute. I'm gonna calculate everything to see where we're at. And when I come back, I'll let you know if she won or if I won. Let's go. Guys, we lost. We lost. It's because of these. Why we lost. Damn, these are still attached really well. Like back to the point. The price of these killed us, and I thought we were good. I think next time I'm gonna keep tally while I do it, because you I was like, oh yeah, we're good. That's 50. That's that. I don't know why I wasn't thinking that obviously was gonna go over. Dang. Okay, next time I'm gonna actually look at the price. I'm actually gonna tally it up while I do it. I thought I got this. I'm gonna look at it. I'm pretty sure if I do it on the video, I'm gonna go under and down. Babe, you're right. You were right. I can't do it. I can't do it. I got everything at a still, but I can't do it. So, wife, I love you. You win. Everybody on the internet's hearing this right now. Everybody on YouTube. You were right. I was wrong. I couldn't get 3 pairs of shoes. Off the grail list. Because if it was any other shoe, I could have done it. If it was any other shoe, I could have done it. Like if it was anything else, I could have done it. But it was off the grail list. That's tough. But Keesh, let's go back to these. God, these are tough. Changing the subject. These are tough.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.